Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Pixlr E and loading the photo you will edit. This ensures you work non-destructively. Duplicate the background layer immediately and lock the original, because once you change pixels, it's hard to recover them. Next, make small adjustments to canvas size or resolution if you plan to print, for example, 300 dpi. This keeps text crisp. Once done, select the Type tool and choose a readable font and size, so the new text will match the image perspective. Now remove any existing text by sampling nearby pixels with the Clone or Spot Heal tool. Work at 100% zoom for clean edges. Once the area is neutral, add a new text layer and set font, size, color, and a matching blending mode, because blending integrates the letters with shadows and highlights. Then use Transform Distort or Perspective to match the sign or surface angle. Make small opacity adjustments and duplicate the text layer for subtle shadow or highlight layers to sell realism. Finish by refining edges and adding depth. Create a soft shadow layer under the text with low opacity and paint subtle highlights where the light hits. This makes text feel part of the scene. When you're satisfied, flatten or export layers as PNG for transparency or JPEG at high quality for photos. If something goes wrong, make sure to undo to the duplicated working layer and use a low opacity clone or a small Gaussian blur to soften hard edges. This fixes most visible seams and mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.